Leah, I still remember the moment I called dibs from the bus window and realized I wanted you to be mine. I might not have thought that it would have ended up with us getting married here today, but I knew you had something special. You have grown into a more amazing person than I ever could have imagined. You inspire me every day to be a better man, and I can't thank you enough for helping me become the person that I am today. You truly have made my life complete and given me purpose. I've loved you through adolescence and the crazy high school years. I've loved you through separation in college. I've loved you through sickness and good health, through good times and bad. I promise to continue to love you for the rest of my life. I promise to be your rock whenever you need me. I promise to sprinkle in some Leahs in between all the babes. I promise to keep working on myself to be the best man that I can be for you and our future family. And I promise to give you the life that you've always deserved.
I have been writing these vows in my head since I started making those drives to Temple to see you. I've written them hundreds of times, changing them slightly each time, trying to get the most perfect words to give you a quarter of the feeling you give me. There's always something else I want to say, because things just keep happening to us, and my love keeps growing and morphing and deepening. How do I put so much profound meaning into such little words? I don't think I will ever be able to communicate to you just how I feel. You're my person, you're my best friend, my favorite, the one person I want to do absolutely nothing and everything with. You make me laugh, you motivate me, you challenge me to be better. You make me feel safe, supported, and grounded. And I know no matter what, you will be there.
They would be coming back home. They were buying a house, planning a wedding. Leah would be out of school, pass her boards, get a job. All good, right? Nah. Instead, they get a real bad phone call one day from the doctor, leading to a very uncertain future, a postponed wedding, and just paralyzing, crushing fear. I know because me and Denise felt it too. Now, spoiler alert, it all worked out.
So far, the two of you have accomplished so much. We're proud of you and keep reaching for the stars.
I'm very much look forward to seeing what the future holds for the high school sweethearts.